Hello everyone, my name is Norma Garcia. I'm a project manager in Walmart assigned to a diversity program. I'm very happy of having taken this training in Korea because this PMP course has been enormously informative for me. Lakshmi has been great deal of a teacher. I really recommend him a lot because he explained it with a lot of authority, a lot of knowledge. He did guide us through all the areas of knowledge in the PMP world that I understand very easily. I was an experienced project manager because I had a lot of experience between business analyst and project management. But now, alone as a project manager, I needed the knowledge of each of the phases of a project management. Lakshmi, make sure that I understood everything because I made a lot of questions. I recommend him a lot. I'm so confident in the knowledge that I got from him. And Careerera, if it has this level of teachers, we're gonna keep on being there because this PMP program, this training it is a total success on me. And I bet in my colleagues that took the training, they are also very happy because the training was so good, so productive, so thorough, so detailed. Everything that we needed to know, we have it there. So we are very confident in doing a very good job in getting our certification pretty soon because of the baseline that Lakshmi helped us have it. So thank you for everything. Bye.